Hello, 7th graders. Today we will be investigating Google Docs by completing a scavenger hunt. I know you've probably used Google Docs before. You guys are 7th graders. However, this assignment is to make sure that you understand how to use all the different tools. I'm going to walk you through this assignment just a little, just to get you started, okay? So the first thing you do anytime you get on an assignment is you read the directions, right? So here are the directions. It says to complete the scavenger hunt below, you will need to be curious and resourceful. So basically this means do not give up. This might get a little challenging. You might not be able to find something as quickly as you would like. Don't stop. Keep working. You will not need to leave this document to complete these tasks. You do not need to get off of this document for any reason. Everything you need is right here. Please read the directions for each task carefully. Okay, so when it says that everything you need is right here in this document, basically it means that everything you need is going to be somewhere in these tools, okay? So, it says use the Explorer tool. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to start looking for something that maybe says Explorer tool. Also, it has the word tool in it, so I might just be able to jump over here. Oh, there it is right there, Explore. I'm going to click on it, see what happens, because something crazy might happen. And this Explore bar pops up, which is really cool. So it says, use the Explore tool in this document to answer the following trivia questions. Please add each answer in a different color. So what is boanthropy? I'm going to copy that. And to copy, you just press Command-C. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put it in the search bar. And to put it in the search bar, you would press Command-V. And then press Enter. And then web results will pop up. There are several different places where I can find the answer to this question. Actually, I probably don't even have to click on any of them, okay? Because like right here, it says boanthropy as a psychological disorder in which the sufferer believes he or she is a cow or an ox. I'm going to go ahead and click on that because I want to grab that answer and I don't want to have to type it all out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this part right here and I'm going to paste it as my answer. Now it asks up here to make sure everything's in a different color. So I'm going to go and I'll put this one in, oh man, so many options, and I really love the color purple, so we're going to do that. All right, so obviously you have two other questions you need to answer here using Explorer, and so I'm going to let you do that. I'm not going to do it for you. Find a picture online of the official Kansas state bird and insert your picture. So we need to do that. How would you do that? I'm not sure. It also says insert a table with 3 columns and 5 rows below. You would also need to go up here and find the table tool. It says use the word count tool, so you would need to go up here and maybe find the word count tool. Switch the page setup from portrait to landscape and make the entire page yellow. Okay, so page setup is also up here. And so you would need to make sure you pay close attention to where page setup might be and follow the instructions. Add a header. Again, there's a header tool somewhere up here. And then it says voice type. Use the voice type tool to record your answer below. And then lastly, use Google Spelling and Grammar to correct the paragraph below. So pay attention to the blue and red underlined words and phrases. So you do see them here. They're on here. And I know a lot of students don't really know how to correct those. Like, how do you get rid of the blue line? How do you get rid of the red line? I want you to figure that out, okay? And this is supposed to be a very fun activity. I want you guys to take your time, not too much time. So it should probably take about 20 minutes. But if you go a little over that, that's okay. And if you finish a little bit faster, that's okay too. And I want you to have fun. And I want you to enjoy this project and learn a little bit more about how to use Google Docs.